Hello everyone and welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today we are going to draw in color Pikachu wearing a traditional Santa Claus hat with Pokeball pom-pom on top of it. To start, I'm going to draw a shape of Pikachu very quickly. I start with the head. I draw the eyes. I love my pen. Amazing. Then the nose. I draw the mouth. Circle for the cheek. Ear. Now, we'll add a festive touch by drawing a traditional Santa Claus hat with a Pokeball pom-pom on top of Pikachu's head. Excellent! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. For his mouth, I used 2 different shades of red. Red for the cheeks. Hee hee. Yellowy. I love my pen. Amazing. We'll color the Santa Claus hat with a festive shade of red. Finally, I add a little red and black for the Pokeball pom-pom. Amazing! If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.